It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Vegetables in Halloween Costumes by Jared Chapman. It's Halloween. Carrot is having a costume party. There are lots of different kinds of costumes, but which one should Carrot wear? I'm so excited. Oh, look at him. He's running. He's excited. It's costume time. Whoop, whoop. There are all kinds of costumes. Let's see, we could be a ballerina, a dinosaur, a firefighter. Oh my. There are spooky costumes. Ooh. And goofy costumes. Mysterious costumes and magical costumes. Ta-da! Costumes for those with 2 legs and costumes for those with more. Oh my, they are a dragon. How many peas do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 peas. There are costumes for going fast. Vroom! And costumes for going slow, slow, slow. Costumes from our solar system. And costumes from beyond. But what should I be? That is a question. Ding dong! There's so many choices. Oh my goodness, the party's about to start and he hasn't made a decision yet. Oh, he looks frazzled. There are lots of things that he could be here. Can we help him? Have you seen Carrot? No. Do you see him in here? No. We see the race car driver, the dragon with all those peas. You see the corn. You see some of the planets. The mysterious caped gentleman, the clown, but we don't see Carrot. There he is. Look what he put on. He looks so goofy. Look at this. He's got the crown. He's got the glasses with the false nose and the mustache. He's got a bandana, tutu. He's got 2 different types of shoes, the foam finger, and an umbrella. He looks goofy. And he's having a really good time with all of his friends. Boy, oh boy, Carrot is something else. Such a fun book. Do you know what you want to be for Halloween this year?